What's in my fridge? Well, Izzy's fridge. Got some milk. Semi-skinned, 1.7% fat. Thanks, that Izzy. Got some orange juice from Morrison's. That's a nice shot. Got some mayonnaise. Got some Vaseline. Lip therapy. Got some alcohol. I'm scared to take that out because it will fall out. Single cream, good for strawberries. Some sour cream, good for potatoes. Some butter. We all love... Oh no, it's clover. It's the wrong one. Ketchup's gonna be sick. Oh no. Okay. Really fruity cranberry sauce, getting with the Christmas vibe. I could eat this. Some chicken and rice. Rice? And some more butter, but this is perfect cakes, so I recommend this if you want to make a cake. So, yeah. And last but not least, right, hang on, I've got one more thing to show everyone.